Maximizing solar efficiency with Microinverter MPPT. Imagine your solar panels working harder, smarter, and making you more money with every sunri say. Today, we uncover the secret of MPPT microinverters, how they squeeze every watt of sunlight into usable power. The hidden problem why solar panels underperform. Even small obstacles like dust or shade can cause big energy losses. The weakest panel limits the whole system, like a single bad link in a chain. Traditional string inverter limitation. String inverters tie panels together. If one panel underperforms, the entire string's power drops. It's efficient, but not smart. Introducing microinverters. Microinverters change everything. Each panel becomes independent, with its own brain, maximizing energy individually. What is MPPT? Maximum Power Point Tracking. Every panel has an ideal operating point, its sweet spot of voltage and current. MPPT constantly hunts for that point, ensuring peak power delivery. Microinverter plus MPPT is equal to double optimization. When MPPT is built into each microinverter, your system gains precision control, extracting maximum power from every single panel, every single second. Benefits of microinverter MPPT systems. This smarter design can boost energy harvest by up to 25%, while improving safety and monitoring flexibility. Performance comparison string versus microinverter MPPT. Here is the difference: consistent high output even under partial shading or uneven conditions. Real-world use cases. Homeowners with shaded rooftops or mixed panel angles benefit the most. MPPT microinverters adapt dynamically to conditions. Looking ahead, smarter solar systems. The future of solar is intelligent, modular, and connected. Microinverter MPPT systems are the foundation for next-gen energy independence. Make every watt count. Don't let potential go to waste. It's time to make every watt count.